Welcome to this creator training. How to create your own battle promo. Download CapCut. It is available for computers, Android and iPhone. Open Favorited and navigate to your profile. Then you are going to screenshot your profile picture. Next you are going to crop the screenshot so that only your profile picture is captured. Now, you are going to search Favorited for your opponent's profile. And screenshot the profile. As you did with your own profile picture, you are going to crop this screenshot down to where you are only capturing their profile photo. Next, you will open the CapCut app and search for Battle Announcement Template or Battle Template. Find a template that you want to use and select it. Side note, the ones you have to pay for have a diamond in the corner of the picture. Import the two profile picture screenshots into CapCut. To edit the text within the video, you will select the T icon at the bottom. Some videos will allow it to resize and reposition the texts or add additional texts. Once you have your video the way you want it, then it is time to export it. Select the export option at the top right corner and then select export without watermark. CapCut then prepares the video for export. You do not have to actually post it on TikTok. Once it transfers you to TikTok, the video has already been saved to your phone, so you can skip posting to TikTok if you want to. I can't wait to see your epic battle promo creations.